So in this video, we're going to take a look at a high-level overview of a blade stress study, a multidisciplinary optimization, an MDO, with a compressor blade that we have here. So we're just going to take a look at the setup and results, utilizing this geometry within NX, running a structural simulation inside of Simcenter 3D, and then doing the optimization inside of HEEDS. So first, just getting a good look at the blade inside of our connected applications of Simcenter 3D and NX. And looking at NX, we have a product template set up where we have this custom dialog box showing a couple of the parameters that we're changing with our optimization here. So we can change the fillet radius on the blade, and we can see dragging the slider that updates in real time. And then we're able to change the airfoil and the positioning of the blade on the platform. So we can kind of change the angle there, twist the blade, and then move it, forward, backward, or side to side as well. So these are all controlled by expressions, and that dialog box with the product template just gives us a convenient way to edit them and see them update live. Now, we've made an update with the connectivity that we have straight to Simcenter 3D, our structural application. We can update our mesh with one click of a button, and our boundary conditions, our loads, our constraints, our other simulation objects like contacts, glues, or cyclical symmetry simulation objects all update as well, because those are based upon the geometry. And if we make a geometry update, we can get those to update by utilizing the connection to NX. And then we'd be ready to resolve. So typically, maybe you're doing a bunch of iterations yourself. Instead, we can utilize our optimization tool HEEDS, where I can tell HEEDS, here are a number of the variables within my CAD design that I want to change. And here are the ranges we're changing them. And then we can go ahead and give it to HEEDS to solve, and tell it as well, this is our goal, we're trying to get maybe a minimum stress, right, based upon these output parameters from the structural solution. And then once HEEDS goes off and solves all of its iterations, we can come and do some post-processing in HEEDS as well, where we see some of the results that we get, including our charts and our tables, as well as the contour plots as well. All right, so we can kind of scroll through and see the different designs, what the fillet radius or the positioning of the blade is, and the resulting stress. And then HEEDS also gives us convenient tools to see what the best case design would be, and then utilizing that design and seeing what the stress is, and seeing some more details as well on how it was running that analysis, and referencing back to the actual 3D geometry itself. So if you want a connected thread running your multidisciplinary optimizations, look at using NX, Simcenter 3D, and HEEDS to optimize your parts for structural integrity.